Have you ever imagined a car so exclusive that it feels more like a private yacht than a vehicle? Meet the Rolls-Royce Droptail, one of the most luxurious and expensive cars in the world, designed for only the most elite collectors. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a masterpiece of craftsmanship that blends automotive engineering with bespoke luxury. The Droptail is the latest marvel from Rolls-Royce, showcasing what happens when imagination meets precision. Each model is completely unique, tailored specifically to its owner's preferences, meaning no two Droptails are ever the same. This car represents the pinnacle of luxury automotive design, combining Rolls-Royce's legendary attention to detail with modern innovation, making it one of the most coveted vehicles globally. From the outside, the Droptail is breathtaking. Its flowing curves, sleek bodywork, and perfectly sculpted rear end exude elegance and power simultaneously. The glossy paint finish glimmers under the light, emphasizing every line and contour. Every exterior detail, from the signature Rolls-Royce grille to the distinctive taillights, has been meticulously crafted to convey sophistication. Moving inside, the interior is nothing short of extraordinary. It's fully customizable, featuring hand-stitched leather, rare wood veneers, and polished metals. The seats are plush, offering maximum comfort, while the dashboard and center console are designed with both artistry and functionality in mind. Rolls-Royce has even added hidden compartments and unique storage solutions, ensuring that luxury meets practicality in ways you wouldn't expect. Under the hood, the Droptail doesn't compromise on performance. It is powered by a massive V12 engine, delivering effortless acceleration in a smooth, commanding ride. While it focuses more on supreme comfort than raw speed, the car's engineering ensures every drive is both powerful and serene. In terms of technology, Rolls-Royce has incorporated state-of-the-art systems for safety, handling, and driver assistance, allowing for a modern driving experience without detracting from its classic luxury feel. Although it doesn't feature full self-driving capabilities, its sophisticated electronics make driving almost effortless, and every system is designed to enhance the overall ownership experience. Now, when it comes to price and exclusivity, the Droptail takes things to another level. Each model costs an eye-watering amount, often exceeding $28 million, depending on the bespoke features chosen by the owner. Only 4 Droptails were ever made, making it one of the rarest cars on the planet. The launch was highly private, with Rolls-Royce personally selecting each client to ensure the ultimate exclusivity. Owning a Droptail isn't just about having a car, it's about possessing a piece of automotive history, a rolling work of art that will be admired for generations. In short, the Rolls-Royce Droptail isn't merely a car, it's a symbol of ultimate luxury and craftsmanship. From its unparalleled design and exquisite interior to its powerful engine and bespoke features, it represents the very best of what the automotive world has to offer. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines artistry, engineering, and sheer exclusivity, the Droptail is the ultimate dream come true. And with only 4 in existence, it's a car that very few in the world will ever have the privilege to experience firsthand.